Hi. This tutorial will show you how to make gear icon for your game project. I already have background button made before this tutorial, so I just reused. Select Eclipse tool. Hold Shift and drag to make circle. Place it to center of the button. Select the circle. Object, path, then offset path. Set offset value to -40. Select Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape on top of circle like this. Select Direct Selection tool. Tweak to stretch bottom. Switch to Selection tool. Hold Option or Alternate and drag to duplicate. Hold Shift and rotate to make perfect angle. Select all in the current layer. Select Shape Building tool and left side panel. Option or Alternate and click to remove center circle. Then connect parts together. Done. Now we can export to get the gear button. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe my channel.